Hey Ravi, it was a pleasure speaking with you over the weekend. This is Hira with Fluid Grid Marketing. I shot a short custom video for you with some tips that you could do in-house that would bring in more business utilizing your website and your Google business profile. So I took a look at your website and it seems like you're doing quite well already, that you have a lot of keywords, your layout is quite nice. Your images are saved to the keywords. You have 1,500 to 2,000 words that Google really likes. So all of that would be really powerful in getting visibility to your site organically. Something that I did want to note is that I did drop your website into a tool. It's an analytical tool called Ahrefs. And so it provides the UR and DR rating numbers. A typically good number is anywhere between 30 and 40 for both. And that is achieved by increasing your backlinks and high quality backlinks and having a high efficiency keyword turnout and generation for traffic. So your uh, backlinks are any links that you find a website linking to using clickable text or from referring domains. So these links act as an endorsement from others. Not all backlinks, however, are created equally, so it's important to have high quality ones that aren't spammy and are related to the niche that you're in. So those would increase your numbers over here. And then your keywords, you're currently indexing for 159 keywords and getting about 7 hits per month to your site. These keywords, though, you do want to make sure that they are high efficiency. I see that your highest one is your actual company's name, and that you're positioning at number 3. But you do want to have high buyer intent keywords as well that are landing you higher, looking at the volume that each of those keywords do generate. And so you can see that there are a lot of keywords over here that aren't generating anything for you. So it's important to get the right ones and relevant ones. I did also type in buyer intent keywords onto Google. Just wanted to give you a look at what your potential customers would be seeing. On the top half, you have Google Ads, and just wanted to ask if that was a consideration ever for you, because of course it is the first thing that one would see when they are searching for this type of service. I do see that you're doing really well in the Google Map Pack, and that must be doing really well for you, because 30 to 40% of people that come to your site do come from here. So I think that's a great job with that. And then of course here you have the Google Organics. So I would say that overall, like I don't need to get too far into the Google Map Pack and how to improve that. I think you're doing really well over there. Just wanted to point out that Google Ads are definitely something that you could diversify your visibility on, and then the organic, the SEO, increasing that value over there, so you can get visible over here as well. So you want to be visible as much as possible across as many platforms to really increase your traffic. Another thing that I really recommend, I see that you're quite active on Facebook. Something that you could really consider is running ads on here as well, because it is completely different. It is, Google is more buyer intent, and Facebook is more, what would you say, organic traffic. It's less buyer intent, but it educates an audience that may not necessarily know that they need the service. So that's something that is really very useful, and it provides a totally different way of bringing exposure to your company. So that's something that could be considered. I did see that you're not running any ads. That's something that might bring some diversity. And then here you have just another competitor in your locale that is doing quite well with their power and strength of Google. You can see the number of backlinks that they have from their referring domains, and that they must be pretty high quality considering the numbers that they have over here. And then their organic searches are generating pretty high efficiency of traffic. So something just to consider. what keywords are actually working, like Foundation Repair NYC is getting 11 people and they're positioned at 2. These are some other keywords that have a high volume in general. So yeah, all of these things would definitely help increase your traffic. You seem to be doing quite well as is, but I'm happy to answer any other questions. And if you found this video useful, would love to get your feedback.